Okay, troopers, just one more bit on this cheap Chinese PaceSetter knockoff header. You know what? Okay, so yeah, like 100-ton punch pops out these 3-inch flanges, and yes, that's galvanized from what I can see. But here, a little neodymium, huh? It's frickin' stainless. This is passing the test, right? I mean, I got my galvanized steel piece, totally grabs the old neodymium. Right, I got a little button guy on there. It's pretty strong. And so, we're not getting any. Oh, it actually stayed behind too. Nada. What kind of stainless is this? This flange, super clean. Plasma cut? What? Punched? No. Plasma cut. That is, wow. Again, that's gonna be steel, and definitely. I don't know. Is this is copyright infringement or something? That is just a direct bang off, with the exception, you know, of a longer stem here. And as far as the collector goes, you know, here's the PaceSetter. You can see there the stem is not as long, right? I'll just pop this PaceSetter over here for now, and let's have a look at the collector. Yeah, exactly the same length. Right, and so the PaceSetter on the magnet test, you know, it's a beautiful ceramic coating. I did have some problems in shipping with this one. Got a little bit chewed up with its own flange. I decided to put a blue shop towel in there so the flange would stop beating up on the collector just from being moved around. So yeah, it's a steel tubing, and definitely grabs the magnet, right? This guy down here, we'll see how it's going to handle the heat from the 4ZE1, but it is stainless as well, and the gauge on that is not bad, right? Yeah, for 200 bucks, I would advise my client to buy this. I'll see how it stands the test of time under my own hood before I actually do that, but if these, if I can continue to find these on eBay, I'm inclined to buy them. That's a damn good price. The shipping was really fast, and I'm definitely impressed. We'll see how it bolts up though. That's just the unboxing. It's a sexy beast.